In this video, I am going to show you some features of Excel which will be very useful to you in your daily life. Let's start with the first feature. We have a data set here, and suppose we want to delete some cells from this data set. Normally what we do is we select the cells and we press the delete button. But what if we want to delete the data without using delete button? Let's see how to delete data without using delete button. To do that, we need to first select the cells which we want to delete. On the right hand side, on the right corner of the last cell, you will see the plus icon. You just need to click and drag it in the reverse order, and you will see that the data which was selected has been deleted. Select the cells on the right hand side, right corner of the last cell. When you see the plus icon, you need to drag it in the reverse order, and the data which was selected gets deleted. So that is the first feature. Let's move to the next feature. I've got sales data here, and I formatted the rows with some colors. What we want is we need to get the total by multiplying amount into quantity. So we'll type the formula equal to amount into quantity, and you get the total. Now to get the total in other rows, you just need to drag this formula till end, and you will see that you get the totals. But at the same time, you will see that we have lost the formatting. I don't want to lose the formatting here. I'll just undo this. So we don't want to lose the formatting. To do that, once you finish dragging the formula till the end, you just need to click on autofill options, click on fill without formatting. Once you do that, you will see that the formatting has been restored automatically. So that is the second feature. Let's move to the third feature. I have a table here, and I want to add one more header in the second row, which should be aligned in center. So one of the option is, I'll type the header, do some formatting. One of the option is like we'll select the cells, and you can click on merge and center. So you'll get the header in the center. But what if I don't want to use merge and center option? So we'll undo the second option is you select the cells, right click, click on format cells, go to alignment tab, and in horizontal you just need to select center across selection and click OK. So you'll get the header in the center. So that is centrally aligned. Let's move to the next feature. So we have a data set here, and suppose you need to copy some of the rows and paste it in another sheet. So normally what we do is we copy the rows, we go to other sheet and we paste it. Again, we copy these rows which we want to copy and paste it in another sheet. We'll go to next sheet or the other sheet where we want to paste it, and we'll paste it. Again, we'll copy the data, we'll go to other sheet and we'll paste it. So this will be a very tedious job. So rather doing all these things, there is a very simple way where we can select, copy and paste all the rows in another sheet. To do that, we'll go to Home tab, and besides Clipboard there is an icon. We'll click on this icon. So the rows which you want to copy, we need to select that rows. So we'll select first row or the second row and press Ctrl C. Once you press Ctrl C, you will see that the selected data has been copied in the clipboard. We'll select another data or the other row, press Ctrl C, other data, press Ctrl C. We'll copy all the data which we want to copy and paste it another sheet. Once you're done with copy, you'll go to another sheet, select anywhere in the sheet and click on paste all. And you will see all the data which were copied have been pasted in this sheet. Do some formatting as per your need. So that is how you can use the clipboard to copy data from one sheet to another sheet, which is very easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. I'll catch you in the next video.